Hello and welcome to Ridgecrest Liquidators and Auctioneers. Up for auction next, we have a Kiote LK3054 front loader tractor. Again, this is a single owner unit. The seller bought this unit new, and right now currently it only has 1,854 original hours on it. This is a diesel tractor. Features a Woods Dual 155 front end lower arm assembly with bucket and detachable front forks. It also has a Tractor Supply quick disconnect 3-point system on the back. It is 4-wheel drive, power steering, and it is a diesel. This unit has been working for us for the last 2 weeks during the setup of this auction, and we've had no issues with it. In the morning, it does cold start pretty hard, but once it gets started and warmed up, this thing runs like a champ all day long without issue. Hydraulic front end and hydraulics to the rear. Has a great strong PTO, and everything on it is functioning like it should. Again, it's a Kiote LK3054 front end loader tractor. There's your bucket. Again, the forks are detachable. All the hydraulics are working good on it. PTO is working good. Tires are great. They show very little wear, if any. Again, this is a Tractor Supply 3-point quick disconnect on the rear. And everything is working. It's got the roll bar. Let's get it started up for you here. Sorry, this might take a minute. I will say it's not the easiest one to get in and out of, but once you're in it, it does a good job. Now, I've only started it once, so it might start hard this morning, but we'll give it a shot here. Oh, there it goes. Fires right up. Again, once it warms up, it starts and runs every time easily. Everything's working just like it should. I'm sorry I'm doing this from behind, but I'm the only one here. The hydraulics are all working good. There's your hour meter, 1,854 hours at the time of this listing. As you can see, running good, running strong. I'll try and get off a bit without falling here. There's your running PTO. Again, just a good, solid, clean tractor. We've been using it for the last week and a half, pulling stuff out of the woods, setting up the sale. Never had any issues with it. I will tell you that this unit, we are maintaining possession of it until the Friday pickup day for this auction at noon, which would be the 27th of September. So it can be picked up anytime after 12 noon on Friday, September 27th. The auction itself will end Wednesday, September 25th, starting at 6 p.m. I'm guessing this will go off somewhere around 8 o'clock. It is selling with no reserve. You can get to the auction by going to ridgecrestauctions.com. Register and bid online. We do have an open house as well on Tuesday, September 24th, starting at 2 p.m. until 7 p.m. You can get the address online at the auction site. But again, this is a Kiote Kiote LK3054 diesel tractor, 4-wheel drive with a front end loader. It's got a Woods Do-All loader package on it, and everything's running great. RidgecrestAuctions.com. If you have any questions, give us a call at 810-650-8508. Thank you very much. Have a good day.